Hey everyone, my name is Susan Wood, owner of Physical Therapy in Motion and certified GOATA coach. Today I am thrilled to announce my first GOATA 101 workshop on Thursday, April 27th at 6 p.m. GOATA stands for Greatest of All Time Actions, and GOATA Movement was founded on the study of the world's most durable humans. In a quest to answer the question, how can I move through a lifetime without getting injured for no apparent reason? Through slow motion video analysis, a clear pattern of movement and rest was observed. So in this workshop, we're going to discuss what our innate movement pattern looks like, why your movement might not match up to our blueprint, discuss possible causes for chronic or recurrent injury, but most importantly, you will be equipped with several exercises that you can begin immediately to help you begin to restore your natural movement. So, whether you are curious about your movement, tired of nagging injuries, looking to enhance your performance, or you just want to learn how to age gracefully and feel your best, come join me in this workshop. I cannot wait to see you in there. There are limited spots available, so make sure you claim yours today.